Hello everybody, welcome to a brand new video. And I'm here today with the main man himself, Ezra right here. Oh yeah, I'm also here today with a very special guest, and he's going to be showing up for now on in channel. Davis, the man himself. Oh yeah. Oh yeah guys, we're here in the tunnel woods yet again for part 4. Hopefully have fun today with the exploration.
I hope so. Hopefully you're not taking me out to kill me or something.
Oh, how dare you say that, man. You'll never.
If I was doing that, I would have done it to Tyler a long time ago.
Oh yeah, definitely.
Decades ago.
Oh yeah. Ooh, alrighty. Oh yeah. I know, right? That's what I said too. If I had my boots, this would be way more better.
Okay. Well, looks like I got a creek line I can follow. Shit.
Okay guys, so we just passed the creek. We're now walking up here now. Whew. Yeah guys, we got headlamps just in case if we're here afterwards, so we're all good. Oh yeah.
That's just, it's just for the bend.
Oh yeah, definitely.
Well, this ought to be interesting.
I know, right? Hey Ezra, come here. Grab the camera. I'm not gonna throw it because you know it's.
Jump it, Tyler.
Perfecto. Alrighty. It's like old times here.
That's good.
Indeed. Ooh. But yeah, guys, we were going to film 2 more Grimm's Times and Monster videos today, but due to only me, Davis, and Ezra showing up, we just decided let's just go on an exploration video. So that's what we did. But yeah, Davis, look at this. Look at this, Davis. Look right here. Look. Yeah. Indeed.
Okay, I'm liking this thus far.
Oh, I know. This place is nice, though. I mean, Davis, compared to this place and tunnel. I mean, this place and also Hollow, this place is definitely. Oh my goodness! I got him! I'm going down. Yeah, baby. Davis, watch out. Watch out. We don't want you to get hurt now. Ooh. Oh yeah. Oh no, I'm coming. Oh yeah, there's a little path.
This reminds me very much of Cliffy.
Really? Hey Ezra, how you doing over there? Oh yeah. Let's see what Ezra does over there, boys and girls. Let's see what he does. Yeah. Good for me, Davis. Oh boy. Here he comes. I would say closer to creek because it's kind of more safer, really. Yeah, it's kind of more safer, really. Because up here, you never know when you're going to like lose the ground and fall over. Yeah. Ooh. Oh boy. Yeah. Yep. I'm gonna do. Oh, there we go. Ooh. Alrighty.
Oh, I was gonna throw that and I saw him down there. I'll make a big splash.
Kamikaze.
Yeah, but I'm not throwing myself at him.
Yeah. Won't follow you. Oh yeah, I know. You know, Davis, I do feel like you love, you know, doing this with us, you know? Ooh. Hey, Ezra. Ezra. The phone. Because I don't want it to get wet, you know? Because that would not be good.
Yeah, just hold on to the rock.
Yeah. Oh, I know you can't. That's what I'm saying. Oh yeah, this is definitely a poor place for me to go down. Yeah. Okay, kind of stuck right here at the moment. Yeah. Okay, guys, I'm going to turn you guys off for a moment so I can get unstuck right here. Ezra's going to pick up the log slog.
You may go down with it.
Yeah, I know, right? He might. Ezra, no, you almost had it. Oh.
Okay, don't want to be straddling.
Okay, now do it, Ezra. Now do it.
I think we'll keep it like that.
No, do it now. Do it. Just do it. Yeah. Yeah, guys, a lot of stuff happened over there, though. Had a hard time getting over onto this side. Hey, so look, here's where we made base last time. Hey, Davis, over here. Come back down over here, because over here it's going to get like a lot more. Yeah, come over here. All right, be safe, okay? I'm gonna have to turn you guys off for a moment. Hello. Hello.
Sorry. Try to get as much stick as I can out of your way.
Okay, guys, so we're back. Yeah, hey, Ezra, right here. Ooh. But yeah, right here is where we were thinking about going. Set up camp right here. Yeah.
Yeah, I do a ridge because I gotta.
Oh yeah, definitely. Yeah.
Sounds like you've been camping a lot.
Well, to be fair, we're on our Halloween special. We kind of had a huge gone wrong. Oh yeah. And what I mean by here's gone wrong, have you heard of the mimic? We kind of got stalked by one of them. Thank you, Ezra. All right. Sweet. Maybe. Oh yeah, most likely, yeah. Look.
Oh, I know how to get down. That's easy.
Oh yeah.
There's a place to cross.
Yep. Ooh, I got you, Davis. Are you okay? Ooh.
Maybe I'm not okay. Wow.
You okay?
Wow. Wow.
You okay?
Yeah, I just haven't got a
Ooh. Hey, Davis. Here, grab the camera. Oh,
You don't do the same thing. Yeah, I'll get you.
Okay, guys, so we are back. And I'm on top of here. Hold my stop. There. Oh yeah. Oh wow. That's creepy. That's creepy. Hey, Ezra, this is our second time to a waterfall. Oh yeah. What'd you think of this? What'd you think of this?
It's like big cliffy, but like
Yeah,
alone. No one knows about it.
exactly.
Huh.
No one but us
No
now.
one but us, yeah.
No one but us.
We should share this with you.
Hey, you're welcome, brother.
No way down, but
No way down, but it's how far that we can go, though.
gorgeous.
Oh wow, I can see even better now.
There may be a way down if you go up and around that limestone wall there.
Yeah.
All we have to do is top this ridge here.
Oh yeah, you're right.
Like walk right on down.
See, I'm not seeing a way down to the left, dude.
Yeah, no, I'm not either.
You gotta round that ridge.
Yeah, then follow that little divot in the land there, yeah.
That's gonna be.
I mean, like over top this ridge up next to that wall.
Oh, I know.
Yeah, no.
But I mean, that's gonna be hard though.
I mean, yeah, I mean, it's like that. I mean, it's like 45 degrees.
Yeah.
But I mean, sliding down, climbing up, you can do it. It's possible.
Oh yeah.
I'm in.
Well, if you guys are going, I might as well try to.
Yeah, I don't want to take that.
Oh yeah, definitely. All right, so we're all going to do this. All right. If we die, Ezra, I'm blaming you.
Yeah, so this is what we're going to have to be climbing all the way down.
Oh yeah, this is gonna be hard. I know. I'm not going to. Trust me. I'm just going to film. Yeah, I know. I remember.
I caught myself like that.
Yeah. And you know, this video right here is a good way to end 2024. Actually, the video right here is a good way to end the year. Oh wow. Yeah.
Keep watching this stuff. I'm gonna try it.
What are you gonna try? Oh jeez. Hey, Davis, this is also one thing Ezra does. He does the most crazy things ever. Ooh. Alright. Alright, I'm going to stand right next to you, Davis. I'm going to see what he does next. Trust me, he's crazy.
There's a dead one. He's just sliding on his way down there. like rock climbing next to the waterfall? Okay.
All right.
Hey, it's Ezra. I just climbed down that here at this waterfall. Hands all muddy. That is going to be absolutely gorgeous when we get down there. All right, that's all I wanted to show you. Bye-bye.
Okay, guys, so Ezra's gonna go here. I'm gonna follow Davis here because he's got the better idea. Probably, yeah. You're. You sure? Because it still looks very much steep. All right, guys, I'm gonna turn you guys. Okay, guys, Davis and me here had trouble walking down. Well, this man right here came down and came back up. Maniac, but I love this guy. Jeez. Me brothers. Well, to be fair, I do see a path right here. Okay. Davis, can you kind of see what I'm looking at right here? Look, can you see kind of what I'm looking at right here? Kind of like a little walk down there, kind of. I mean,
it's better than
it's better than
over
there.
Yeah.
Than over there.
I mean, maybe like.
What do you think?
Yeah, I see what I'm feeling. Yeah. As long as you slide to the right and not the left.
Exactly. That's what I'm saying. Hey, Ezra. Unless you want to come over here too, because that would be better.
He's got to
Hey, look. There's kind of a deer path right here, kind of. Careful, brother. Careful, brother. Okay.
This is sort of doable.
Yeah. I mean, how I can see it right now, if we just go right here, go down, and then keep on going, we should be good.
That way. Because there's no much for me to go after I go to the right.
Woo! Yeah. Stand right behind me, right over there. There you go.
Yeah.
Right there you go. Yeah. It's crazy, but I do think it is doable right here, though. I do think it is doable.
It's doable. Just barely.
Yeah, just barely.
Man, I mean, this is easy work.
I know. Ezra, Mr. Easy Work Man.
Yeah.
Yeah.
There's more things to hold on to, I think. But like once you get down to a little bit that way, past that stump there, there's nothing for me to grab.
Hey, Davis. He always does though. Trust me. Once you see it, you won't believe it. I'll try to get this on camera this time around. While you and me wait right here. You know. Ooh.
See, that's what I'm afraid of.
Exactly. That's what I'm afraid of too. It's gonna be a long video, but I don't give a crap. That's gonna be an excellent video. One to end off this year great with you and him both. One for the history books, really. Okay, let's see what you do, brother.
I like the idea. I don't know if I trust the sticks, holding.
I'm with you on that. No, I'm with you on that. Cause trust me, boys, this ain't gonna be fun, but it will be fun at the same time. If I had my other camo jacket, I could just put you guys into my pocket, but I don't got that. No one actually got that. I don't think it actually has that. Never mind. That's what I'm saying. Yeah, I know.
A walking stick?
Sweet. Oh, I know. I do too. Think? Okay. Every video we do, guys, here, we keep going further and further inside. Oh, yeah.
you're going?
You take it for the time being.
I'll just make me and Tyler one we can head down.
Yeah. Okay. Ooh, careful. Hey, Ezra, you know, every time we come in here, we just keep going deeper and deeper in here, which is just crazy. But I love it, though. Oh, look at that. Oh, look at that sun right there. Oh, I gotta get some mac. Hello, everybody. All right. So, guys, hey, Ezra, Davis, why don't you both describe what just happened now?
I just saved your life again.
Yeah, literally, again.
He tried jumping off a cliff, and Ezra jumped with him.
Yeah.
Stop Tyler from sliding on down.
Oh, yeah.
It's like a 90-degree.
Oh, my guys, that's literally what we literally just went down. Ain't that crazy or what, David?
A little crazy. We are a little crazy.
Oh, yeah. But hey, that's high school though for you.
Hello, I just saved Tyler's life again.
Oh, yeah.
Going down that thing.
Look at that. Oh. This was worth almost dying for. Oh, yeah. Woo. Woo. Woo.
It almost looks like coal. It's not.
I know, right? Woo. Woo. Look at that. Oh my gosh, looks like we're in like Jurassic Park almost. Right, Davis? Ooh. Ooh. Oh God, if you're going your way. Ooh. Ooh. Oh yeah. Ooh. Well, hold up a minute. I actually do want to catch that on camera though. Guys, look at what I got here. Look at this. Davis, ain't this the coolest or what?
Awesome,
Woo!
man.
Yeah. Woo! Welcome, brother, to the team. Woo! Yeah. Woo! Oh yeah, please do. Woo! Awesome. This was worth almost dying for. Woo! Very. Now, how are we going to get out of here? Woo! Yeah. Hope you guys love part 4 of the Tunnel Forest. Oh yeah. Woo. It's actually starting to get a little bit colder now. Just a little bit. But not by too much.
Yeah, we don't have too much daylight yet now.
Oh yeah.
Soon.
But hey, at least we got the night lights. What? Oh, you do still got it. Yeah, it was. Yeah. Oh yeah, definitely. Yeah, Davis. So tell the fans how you liked your first adventure, my friend.
I'm not sure I want to die on my first adventure, but I think it was well worth it. I mean, this is a hidden waterfall. No one really knows.
Exactly.
So this is awesome. You know, from the little swim spot to this. I mean, this is awesome.
Oh yeah, literally. Oh boy, here we go.
Probably freezing. Just.
I caught that. Yes, I think I did.
Yeah, I'd put it at 32 or something.
Oh yeah, definitely.
The only reason that's not out is because it's moving.
Exactly, yeah. Oh yeah, it does. Very. This is waterway how to end 2024. Am I right? No, no. We're not doing that. Woo. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Look at that big boy. He's big and chunky. Like Braden, who just lost the adventure. I'm sorry, buddy, but I kind of did. Oh boy. Hold up. Let me move back. I might.
Get you on camera.
Yeah, here.
Throwing a rock.
All right.
Oh yeah.
Really? Oh yeah. All right. Hey everybody, this is the TV. This is the Tyler Grimm channel, and this is Whoop-Ham. Yeah. Hey David.
See.
I want you to hop up here, and I want you to say, "I'm king of the world." I mean, don't shout it because who knows who's listening right now, but still. All right. Hold on, wait. Okay. Wait.
You gotta have fish hook fingers to climb this bitch. Here, someone catch it. Let's get a dropping shot.
You go on top of the waterfall and you suck it down to me.
That's not stable. Whoa. All right. Whoa. He's king of the world. All right. Whew. All right. Oh yeah, back to tracking up now, which is going to suck.
That would be a good way to go up.
Wait, what are you looking at? Right there?
Yeah, that way up there.
Oh yeah, you're right. Yeah, I see it. Okay, guys. So we just made it back from under there. Davis right now is trying to get to where Ez was at right there. And oh boy, I'm exhausted. What? Yeah, trying. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, please. Ooh, cause I don't think I can. Ooh. Okay. You got it, Davis. You got it. Whew. Careful, Ezra. Oh, I know. That's what I say too. Ooh. All right, and go. Hey guys, so Davis is going to literally go in for this little hutch here.
Going to the underworld.
Oh yeah, you are. He's going to the underworld, boys. Ooh, shoot. Woo.
Evidently, we're not the first people to do this. We need a bridge.
Maybe. Hey guys, so Ezra thinks he heard Braden on camera. Ah, my shoe. Exactly. This is supposed to be like Braden's like last 2 films, but so if he did this, I don't think he's going to be able to actually do it. Oh yeah, big time. Wait, is that Braden?
Hello!
It is Braden! Holy crap! Braden, how did you get here? Braden actually showed up, guys. Woo. You do not believe what me, Davis, and Ezra did. You missed something really cool, actually, just now. I know. Whew. Hey, folks, guess who arrived late to the video? Braden's here. What's up, Bray?
Oh,
What's up, Bray?
everything. Give me a hug.
Oh, I got you,
Oh,
buddy.
I fucking miss you guys.
Hey, Braden, just so you know, why we're here is because since we couldn't get Dakota, couldn't get John, couldn't get CJ.
My connections are burnt out. I can't get to it.
Oh, you can't? That's why, okay.
My connections are burnt out.
But yeah, Braden, the reason why we didn't do the film series is because we couldn't get them for each side, or why not do this, you know? But guess what? We scaled a little ledge that literally,
No, hold
Dad.
on. Let me show you something. My fucking toe hurt. Hold on.
ago.
I like candy dick.
What? I didn't say for that.
Who the fuck do you care, huh? You look like one of those twins from the 1930s. I'll give you a blowjob for 30 fucking cents.
30 cents? That is way overpriced for the day.
I ain't no 30 cents.
Oh,
You smack that thing on a rock on the
Yes, you did.
No, I didn't. I'm not eating it. You fucking I'm fat. Okay, fuck off. I'm big Dorian. I'll shove a hot pocket up your ass.
Guess what? Speaking of Dorian, and this 2 movies that we're going to do that, I was going to have you as Mayor Dorian.
Of course you will.
I was going to have
Play
that.
that badass.
I think the only person.
It tastes like Fruity Pebbles.
Yeah.
Guys, it tastes like Fruity Pebbles.
Guess what? Aiden didn't even.
Dorian.
Aiden. I mean, Aiden. The whole reason why he didn't show up Aiden because he's watching his little sister. So yeah.
That candy cane tastes good.
The candy cane has made him turn. Ah! He went all Dakota on me. Oh, he did an Ezra right there.
With the toenail, too.
I know, right?
Oh, you're definitely gonna have to get a shot after that.
Oh yeah. No!
What the fuck, bro?
Whoa! Braden, chill.
Chill the hell out, bro. That was not cool.
That was not cool. And I caught that on camera. You need chill.
I refuse to call. He looks like a taxi driver though.
Does that make it okay?
Wow,
You threw it at the ground. It ricocheted.
dude.
Okay.
I caught that on camera and everything too, by the way.
There's a difference between throwing it at him. If I would have thrown it at him, I would have hit him. I apologize for.
You did hit me.
I apologize for accidentally hitting you. I apologize for the ground throwing it at you.
Don't do it again. Thank you.
We have strawberry corn. I want to try this tree.
I don't think you should be having.
Please?
That's kind of bad. You just threw a machete at
I
us,
won't throw.
bro.
I'm excited.
You just threw a machete at us.
I can feel like Dorian when he's excited to pull a microwave out of my ass and microwave hot pockets and eat them. But
Is this the hazing process? We just throw like machetes and shit and beat each other up?
Maybe, who knows?
This was the hazing process.
oh shit, more blood. Alright, that's awesome.
That's what it was supposed to be, not a machete getting thrown at you.
Yeah.
That's just extra.
Alright.
Oh, more blood on the way. That's awesome.
I'm saying we just go ahead and head out. We've done had a full day.
Yeah. And I'm kind of tired.
We can come back and do this another time.
Because Davis will be back in probably next month, like around the same time, probably.
You left without even telling.
We left.
I couldn't have
Bend your
told. I couldn't have told you. I couldn't have even told you.
Alright.
I couldn't have even told you anyway, because Jordan wasn't even active.
Did you get dropped off here?
Yes. Well, not dropped off. My aunt's still waiting.
Alright. Well, then that's good.
Alright, well then let's head on out of here then.
That's good.
Remember, kids, always listen to your parents. If they tell you not to do something, do it.
And I caught that on camera too. Did you say, Davis?
Don't be cool. Stay in drugs.
No, Davis, no! No! What are you doing?
Trying to put my fat ass over this fucking log.
Okay,
I can't do that with Stormbreaker making stuff, can I?
fair enough, I guess.
My socks are soaked.
So are mine. Mine's have been soaked since I got here. Davis has taken the only smart way out here.
Fuck that shit. I'm gonna actually take the smart way. Oh shit!
Shoot. Hey, Ezra. Ezra, take the camera. What? What'd you say, Brad? Neither am mine right now.
Where the hell did you even come from?
What?
Not hiking.
What are you talking about, Brad?
Indians, I fucking hate them.
Hey. He's racist! He's racist! What?
I didn't mention that something followed me.
Hey, Ezra, wait. Brayden, say that again.
Like all the way here, something followed me. I didn't mention that.
Okay, now you said it when we were...
Oh no, you know the sound a hair makes when it like crumbles over leaves?
Yeah.
When I heard it turn, I saw a tall, dark figure and then it left. Just like
Okay.
my dad.
Well, why did you make that joke when that could be something serious that we need to watch out for?
Because I joke about my depression. You know this.
I know this, but doesn't mean you need to say that. Because if that's actually an actual thing, we need to actually worry about. Exactly.
I'm thinking loud.
You think?
I tried to listen earlier, but you wouldn't listen.
You think?
I don't think.
You really think?
I don't know.
Okay.
Black don't talk, do they?
No, they do, because I talked to Ezra once.
Oh, well, shit, I'm fine.
I talked to Ezra once. Hey, Ezra, tell Brayden you actually talked to Amen and Balak once.
Well, I heard a deep, dark voice tell me I finally found you, and then it left.
Really?
I might be fucked.
That's probably an attachment.
Oh, yeah.
Taking care of everything we got.
Oh, yeah.
It's knowing you.
It's been nice
Drive me
meeting
a taxi.
Actually, my friend Vic was a taxi.
That actually is true, actually. Hey, guys, right here's the entrance out.
I'm too tired for this shit.
Oh, same here.
I'm getting too old.
I'm the oldest here.
Buddy,
I'm the oldest here.
because I'm not as old as you doesn't mean I can't feel old.
Hey,
I'm
Davis.
3 years older than FNAF, okay?
Hey,
Fuck
Davis.
off. That's what I want to do, Liam. That's
Okay, what?
what I want to do, Liam.
You want to frick him, my friend?
No, what the fuck? No, I mean I want to watch him snap in half because he's a little second.
That is true, he is. Oh, wow, I'm almost slipped.
And maybe hire like 5 black men to rape him.
Wow.
They probably like it though, so.
Probably, yes. You're probably not wrong.
Oh, this is the movie I dropped both katana. I had it. When I say the katana, I mean like this thing has something big. And the blade wasn't bent either.
Hey, Davis, it clowns right right up ahead of us. Pennywise is up ahead of us.
I fucking love to hear that fucking train. Hold on.
Oh yeah.
It's a wee bit, lad. It's a wee bit, lad. It's a wee bit more to find the treasure of Davy Jones's water.
How dare you mock me, man? Alright, hey wait. Okay, hey wait, guys. Okay, so one final thing before we end this video.
I lost my glasses.
Everybody, say that final thing to the video.
Overall, saving a life was pretty cool.
Yeah.
Overall, watching a life almost die is not cool, but watching it saved is even cooler.
Oh yeah, and Brandon?
Captain Jack will be back. Captain Jack will be back. I can assure you, Captain Jack will be back. Also, I'm glad to be here with my brothers, even this new one.
Yeah, hello, brother.
We're all brothers here.
I have Ezra here with me again, knowing that full well that I'll be safe.
Oh yeah.
Anyways.
Alright, let's go.
Oh yeah.
Let's go before I start fucking.
Well guys, we'll see you in the next video, and we'll see you all next year. Ta-ta for now, everybody.
Snapper!